Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can save the video effects on your Capcut application. So first you just need to open your Capcut application. For this time you need to open the project just to visit the effects that you want to save, and the next you just need to tickle on this bottom features. There could be an effects there and just go tap it. And now I already added some effects, and then I will let you delete first. Okay, now you just need to visit the video effects right here. So the save effects could be placed into here or this side, so it could be helping you to open the selected effects that you ever used before, so that you don't need to looking for every sections on this effects. So how to save it? You just need to find the effects that you want to save right here. And let's say here I want to try to save. Okay, let me try to find some first. Okay, I got this camera shakes and colorful. Let's just go download it first by go tap on the effects and then tap on the effects. Okay, now you just need to decide which effects that you want to save, and then you just need to click and hold into the effects. Click and hold, and they could be added to favorites. Click and hold and add it to favorites. Now your favorite your effects is already saved into this side, so you don't need to just looking for manually, because you already got the fastest way to find it. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.